Good evening, everybody. It is January 3rd, Melissa Longo's birthday. Happy birthday, Melissa. And I've been posting this online. It is the 33rd anniversary of DS9. What a great day. And I got this in the mail. Actually, it came yesterday. And it came from my buddy, Bill Erickson. So I believe this is the second part of what he said he was going to ship to me. So, without me flapping my gums, let's get on into it and see what he brought. Well, I think if it is the anniversary of DS9 and Melissa Longo's birthday, and I get something from Bill Erickson, this is just going to be the best day ever. So, all right. Yeah. One of the tricks is trying to open a box and not reveal your address to the entire world. All right. What did you give me, Bill? Hot dog. All right. Dr. Pepper cotton candy. They make this? Are you kidding me? Really? By the way, I love Dr. Pepper, too. If I have not made that clear on the chat pack. MOVEMBER. He's my MOVEMBER buddy. I mentioned that on one of my prior videos, but yeah, he's my MOVEMBER buddy. Check out his link. I will include that at the end. What do you give me here? Hickory smoke, alpine touch, Montana's special spice. All right, Bill, what makes your spice so special up there in Montana, huh? Okay, use barbecue, jerky. Okay, all right, good stuff. What else? Oh yeah, actually, this is what I was looking forward to. He had mentioned this before. Jelly Belly, only the best. Dr. Pepper, man, oh man, this guy. I think he bleeds Dr. Pepper. More jerky, honey buffalo. Oh man, that's gonna be really good. That's gonna be really good. Teriyaki, gotta have teriyaki. Well, oh yeah. To give a bleep or not to give a bleep, that is a question. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Thank you for backing one of our projects. Oh, that is pretty cool. Man, I love this. Old West beef jerky. Man, he just filled this box up. And some original. I gotta look into this, what this is all about. Okay. All right. I love it all. I love it all. I love you, Bill. You've been right there by my side through it. So glad I got to meet up with you at STOV and with Bride as well. You've been a great brother. You're a great listener. Got to talk to you on the phone not too long ago too. We got to just kind of chat away. I think we're on the phone for a couple hours. Yeah, you've just been a swell guy. So keep doing what you do. Don't change. Great. You're just gonna give me a sugar high, aren't you? I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this. And I appreciate you. Appreciate all you guys tuning in as well. All right. I will see you at the next unboxing, whenever that will be. And gee, since this is now January, I think I will be getting a video out pretty soon. In fact, it compels me to do that. So thank you very much. Be kind. Be well. Trek on. I'll see you guys later.